There's your fill, there's your drain. Let me show you what kind of fluid you need to use. So the only fluid that Honda recommends that you use, and there is no substitute, you have to use this or problems could occur with your rear differential, is the Honda VTM-4 Differential fluid. They only sell it in 1 gallon jugs. I've seen you can buy it online at Amazon.com. You can also check out HondaPartsUnlimited.com. They should have there as well, but the only fluid that you want to use is the VTM-4. Let's see if there's a part number on it. 08200-9003. So yeah, just stay with your Honda OE fluids on this one. Don't try to use a substitute or go cheap, because you could damage or hurt your differential, and it costs a lot more to fix a differential than it does to pay 30 bucks for a gallon of fluid. All right, like I said, I'm gonna let that drain for about an hour and then we'll come back and fill it up. I don't think a lot of people know about Bundys Garage on YouTube, so if you guys want to help me out, spread the word on your social media, or if you guys are visiting forums and you see that one of my videos answers somebody's questions, go ahead, post a link to my video, just copy and paste the URL address, and that'll really help me out, guys.